Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Inspect the divot immediately and check the size and turf condition within 5 minutes of play to prevent drying. Measure depth and note if the grass is loose, torn, or still has intact roots, because intact roots change your repair method. Decide if a simple repair is enough or if you must replace the turf plug, and gather a divot tool, spare sod or seed mix, a small trowel, and water before you begin. Begin repairs by inserting the divot tool about 1 inch beyond the damaged turf at a 45-degree angle. Position several inches apart around the perimeter. Gently push soil toward the center. Do not pull or lift the grass upward, because lifting breaks roots and delays recovery. Work around the divot evenly until the surface is level with surrounding turf, pressing lightly to firm the soil and restore smooth roll for putts. When roots are missing or the plug is displaced, replace with a sod plug cut to size, or apply a seed mix recommended for your coarse and press firm. Water the repair lightly immediately, then keep the area moist for 3 to 7 days to promote root contact and germination. Avoid heavy traffic on that spot. Mark the repair with a small flag if possible, and advise course staff if the divot needs professional follow-up or further top dressing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.